Hi friends, welcome to Amakshi Excel tutorials. Let's learn and conquer the fear of Excel. Before we start the video, please press the bell icon and share this video with your friends.
In this video, we'll be discussing about the Excel shortcut keys. Now, as you remember, we have already covered the Home tab of Excel. Now, we'll be covering all the shortcuts used in Home tab. Now, let's first discuss about the main shortcuts. Now, let's say you want to open a workbook, you'll be pressing Ctrl O. For closing a workbook, you'll be pressing Ctrl W. What about saving a workbook? Ctrl S. If you want to go to Home tab, press Alt H. Next comes the clipboard shortcuts. Now, they are very popular. For cut, you need to press Ctrl X. For copy, you need to press Ctrl C. For paste, you need to press Ctrl V. Now, what if you want to remove all the contents of the cell? You need to press delete. What if you want to undo what you've already done? You need to press Ctrl Z. Next comes the font shortcuts. Now, font shortcuts, what are they? Use Ctrl B for making your content bold. Use Ctrl I for making your content italic. Ctrl U to underline your content. Ctrl 5 to strike through your content. If you want border tab to be opened, press Alt plus H and then B. For fill color tab, press Ctrl plus H and H. Now comes the number format shortcut. Now, what if you want to open the format cell window? You need to press Ctrl 1. Now, there are multiple number format options. Now, let's say you want the cell in general format. You need to press Ctrl, Shift and tilde. What if you want to format the cell as number? You need to press Ctrl, Shift, exclamation. Format cell as time. Press Ctrl, Shift, @. What if you want to format cell as a date? Ctrl, Shift and hash. Format cell as a currency. Ctrl, Shift and $sign. Format cell as percent. Ctrl, Shift, %sign. Format cell as scientific. Ctrl, Shift and caret. Now, there's a technique to remember all these things. Now, as you can see on your screen, Ctrl 1 can open the format cell window, but how to remember all the other functions? Now, as you can see, the general starts from barcode, number 1, time 2, date 3, currency 4, percent 5, scientific 6. Easy to remember? Let's move on to the next. Next comes basic cell shortcut. Now, basic cell shortcut will press in Ctrl Shift row for inserting the cells. Ctrl minus to delete the cells. Up arrow key. Move one cell up in a worksheet. Down arrow key. Move one cell down in a worksheet. Left arrow key. Move one cell left in a worksheet. Right arrow key. Move one cell right in a worksheet. Now comes the Ctrl plus arrow key. Now what will happen? It will move to the edge of the current data region in a worksheet. What if you press end and arrow key? It will enter the end mode. What if you press Ctrl Shift plus End? That will extend the selection of the cells to the last used cells. Control Home. Move to the beginning of the worksheet. Control plus page down. Move to the next sheet in a workbook. Control plus page up. Move to the previous sheet in a workbook. These are the shortcuts which you can apply on particular cells. Now comes the worksheet shortcut. Now what are they? What if you want to select the entire sheet? Press Ctrl A. Select the current and the next sheet in a workbook. Ctrl Shift and page down. Select the current and previous sheet in a workbook. Ctrl Shift and page up. Extend the selection of cells by one cell. So Shift plus arrow key. Extend the selection of cells to the last non-blank cell in the same column or row. For that, Control plus Shift plus arrow key. Add a non-adjacent cell. So what will you do? Shift F8. There are some other functions as well. Now, if you wish to start a new line in the same cell, press Ctrl Enter. Press Alt Enter. If you want to fill the selected cell range with current entry, Ctrl Enter. Complete a cell entry and select the cell above, Shift and Enter. Now what if you want to select the entire column in the worksheet? Ctrl plus spacebar. Select the entire row in a worksheet. Shift plus spacebar. Select all objects on a worksheet when object is selected. So for that, Ctrl Shift and spacebar. Now what if you want to extend the selection of cells to the beginning of the sheet? Ctrl Shift Home. Select the current region around the active cell. For that, Ctrl Shift and asterisk. Select the first command of the menu. When a menu or submenu is visible, you need to press Home. Now comes the commonly used shortcuts. What are they? Whenever you want to insert or delete a filter, just press Ctrl Shift L. Whenever you want to display the Create Table dialog box, you need to press Ctrl T. When you want to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog, you need to press Ctrl K. Now there are some unique shortcuts in Excel which people are not generally aware of these shortcuts. Now what if you want to repeat your last action? You need to simply press F4. You need to add a range of numbers. Press Alt plus equal to. What if you want to make a duplicate sheet? You just need to press Ctrl and drag that sheet. It will duplicate the sheet. What if you want to enter the current time? Just press Ctrl Shift and colon. What if you want to enter the current date? Just press Ctrl and semicolon. What if you want to check the spellings in the selected range? Press F7.
If you like the video, please click on like button and please subscribe for more videos.